Welcome back again, polar bears and polar cubs. Let's talk about the combined gas law. This takes all three gas laws that we've talked about previously, Boyle's, Charles, and Guy-Lussac's, and combine them. So now we have P1V1 T2 equals P2 V2 T1. Just keep in mind these three things. That temperature has to be in kelvins, pressure and volume just need to have the same unit. So let's run through a problem together, and then I will let you guys try one, and we'll show the answer. So with the first one, we have a V1 of 50.0 liters. We have a T1 of 25 degrees Celsius, and a P1 of 1.08 atmospheres. We're going to try to calculate V2 if P2 is 0.855 and T2 is 10 degrees Celsius. So that gives you V1 50.0 liters, T1 at 298 Kelvin, and P1 is 1.08 atmospheres. V2 is what we're trying to solve for. You have T2 at 283 Kelvin, and you also have P2 at 0.855 atmospheres. So rearrange the equation in order to solve for your unknown, P2, V2, T1. Since we're solving for V2, divide by P2 and T1. Plug it in. You should get 50.0 times 283 times 1.08 all over 0.855 times 298. Number of sig figs is 3. So when you solve, you'll get 59.97 in your calculator. You're going to round up to a nice even 60.0 liters. All right, let's go to the next slide and have you guys try one on your own. Right, there you go. And we're going to have the answer here in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So you have V1. This gives you T1 and P1. You have V2 and you have T2. Now it gives you the fact that it's in kilopascals in your final answer, so we can do that. In order to convert milliliters to liters, you move the decimal 3 places to the front, giving you 0.7000 liters. T1 is then going to be 273 Kelvin, and P1, since we want it in kilopascals, is 101.325 kilopascals. You have a V2 of 0.200 liters and a T2 of 303 Kelvin. Once you plug it into your calculator or into the equation, you're going to have P2 is equal to 0.7000 times 101.325 times 303, all divided by 273 and 0.200, giving you a final answer of 394 kilopascals. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, best of luck on your worksheet.